The Health Insurance Board owes 16 billion Nepali rupees to service providers, and due to delayed payments, insurance services in hospitals are being affected, directly impacting citizens. Minister of Health and Population Pradeep Paudal's statement that hospital dues cannot be paid has caused confusion, while board officials attribute the issue to the government's failure to make payments, including coverage for national service providers, foreign workers, and vulnerable groups. Additionally, the government has not paid the contributions for certain groups such as the elderly, people with disabilities, and women volunteers for 2 years.
यो राज्यले तिर्ने पैसा हो नि त राज्यले बोलिसकेपछि मन्त्रीले यो भन्नु भन्नु भन्ने सवाल हैन बरु हामीले के गर्न सकिन्छ भने अब कति छ तिर्नु पर्ने त्यसको सबै गएर के भन्छ यो जुन उसको पैसाको सुनिश्चितता रकम सुनिश्चितता गरिसकेपछि उहाँहरुलाई बिमाको जुन अहिले सम्मको हामीले प्रयोग गरेका छौं हामीले जुन तिर्नु पर्ने छ त्यो पैसा तिर्नु पर्छ हैन तिर्नु पर्छ किनभने राज्यले त उहाँहरुसँगबाट सेवा किनिसक्यो नि स्वास्थ्यमा त्यस्तो कुरा हुँदैन स्वास्थ्य सेवा भनेको जनताको भनौं न एउटा राज्यले गर्ने एउटा आफ्नो दायित्वभित्रको कुरा हो त्यो दायित्वभित्रको कुरा गरेको कुरामा होला अहिले बजेट भनौं न केही समस्या परेर केही समय नदिने अर्को कुरा नत्र नदिने भन्ने हुँदैन दिनुपर्छ
The government was in the process of reforming the insurance system with a task force led by Dr. Sambhu Acharya, having already submitted its report. The health minister had previously announced that insurance coverage would be increased from 100,000 to 500,000 Nepali rupees. However, in a recent program, he stated that the arrears owed to hospitals could not be paid.
अब भुक्तानी हुँदैन सुन्नुस् भुक्तानी सम्भवै छैन राज्यले कमिटमेन्ट गरेको कति हो 7.5 अरब हैन आज कति खर्च भएको छ यो वर्षको बजेटमा हुँदै नभएको शीर्षक अर्को अघिल्लो वर्षको बकौता भनेर कसरी तिर्ने 11 अरब रुपैयाँ अगाडि अघिल्लो वर्ष 11 हैन 11 र 5 16 अरब रुपैयाँ अघिल्लो वर्षको बकौता म आइसकेपछि यो वर्ष जति खर्च गर्नु पाउने थियो त सबै भुक्तानी भइसक्यो खानामा राखेको अचार जस्तो यति पनि पुग्दो रहन्छ
Health insurance, which started in the Nepali year of 2072 Chaitra, has expanded to 77 districts with 464 health institutions, including 48 private ones, affiliated to the program. Although some payments were made until last mid-July, health institutions have not received any funds since then. Due to non-payments, Rapti Academy of Health Sciences in Dang issued a statement last Friday announcing uncertainty over the 110 million Nepali rupees payment and the suspension of services. Following assurances from the ministry, the institution has resumed services, but the availability of payments remains uncertain.
दैनिक रूपमा चाहिँ सेवाग्राहीलाई औषधि र अन्य चाहिँ सामग्रीहरू वितरण गर्नुपर्ने तर अब बिमाको समयमा भुक्तानी नभएपछि हामी चाहिँ प्रतिष्ठान चाहिँ ठूलो ऋणमा चाहिँ पर्न गयो.
The government allocates 7.5 billion rupees to the Health Insurance Board each year, while 3 to 4 billion is collected from the insured. However, according to the board's data, over 13 billion is spent annually on health insurance. Experts suggest that the issue can be resolved if the government follows the law and implements the Health Insurance Reform Task Force's recommendation.